Good morning, guys. This is Saurabh Gaur in front of you. Today we all came to the Sun Temple for covering this temple for the documentary. So we all come here, and my name is Saurabh Gaur, and they all my friends.
So my name is Anjali Saraswat and
My name is Gaurav Goyal.
My name is Rachna Rajaria.
so let's go and visit
Visit
the
the temple.
temple.
So guys, come on.
So guys, now I'm enter this temple and let's go. So now you can see that there is a very greenery over there.
So guys, we see that this is the beauty of temple. There are a lots of trees. We can see that, and a lots of flowers, and there are many types of trees. We can see that, and this is a very beautiful place in this Gwalior. If you want to visit any places, so I will suggest you please come this Sun Temple.
So now we going to put off our footwear because they are restricted in the temple. So now we put off their
Now we enter this temple and you can see that the temples are very beautiful, and so today is a Sunday and so that's why we come today and for visiting the temple. Now we enter. Let's go. Now we are standing outside of the temple and you can see that this temple is very beautiful. The Sun Temple also we call the Surya Temple. It's in Hindi. It is a very famous and top heritage of the Gwalior. And whenever any visitor come Gwalior, also visit this temple. This temple constructed by Birla 1988. And so now we explain by Saurabh.
So when we talk about this architect, so as you can see, the temple is looking very, very beautiful. There are 7 horses. 3 are the left side, and the 4 are other right sides. So as you can see, the temple, which is fully based on the Kolang temple, which is in Odisha, which is the very famous temple of India. So this is the temple of Gwalior. It is also very famous in the Gwalior. So as you can see on this temple, there are 373 statues. So I can't describe about the all statues, but I am describing about some statues. Some are in dancing pose, some are in sitting pose, while some are in the proper standing pose. So there are lots the statues of the many goddess. So this is our country. So this is the countries of gods. So there are lots of statues of gods. So and the all sides of the temple. On this temple there are many statues on the temple. So let's cover the temple first of all.
So you can see that this is the color is a red and with the place of the brown is a very good color of this, and this structure of this temple is old but it look like a very beautiful. There is a lots of gods. You can see that this is constructed by Birla. Then there is a Shivji and Parvati ji. It is also god of
You can see there are lots of these. So we can see that the temple is fully based on the structure of a rath. So in the ancient time, the people used a rath, which was a vehicle in the ancient time. So it is fully based on the structure of a rath.
So now you can see that. Now you can see that this is the temple of some temple of the Surya Bhagwan, and this is a very small temple outside of the temple, and so now let's go.
So guys, you can see that I was standing behind of Sun Temple, and you can see that in this temple there are I think 4 glasses put in this temple, and when sun arises early in the morning, that time the light visiting to the lens, and after the light face to god of sun. So this is our story.
So guys, now I am standing in the front of Sun Temple. So as you see, there is a statue of Ghanshyam Birla. They are the founder of this Sun Temple, and they made Sun Temple in 1984. And as you see, there's a lots of another statue of his wife. His name is Mahadevi Birla. He is the wife of Ghanshyam Birla, and they both are founder of the Sun Temple.